In today's video, we're covering a project that I'm super excited about, and that is the Cuddly Koalas Club. It is my very own project, one that I created with my friend Adriano. I want to give an update on our growth, go over the project for you guys in these run-through videos that I know you all enjoy, and hopefully you guys can see the same vision that I can see when we created this project. Now, when we made the art, one thing that was very important, we wanted it to be as cute as possible, and I believe we achieved just that. We got the eyes nice and big, we got the colors nice, we got the big head, the small body, and it's something that we went for, and we're already seeing this resonate with our community. A lot of people are jumping into the Discord and commenting how cute and collectible the art is, and that is exactly what we wanted. Our goal wasn't to create an NFT that you could put as your profile picture, although it definitely is something you could if you like. It's my personal profile picture. It was more something to create that you just want to hold, you want to look at in your wallet, maybe even gift it to someone. I've seen a lot of people jumping into our Discord saying they want to buy one for their fiance because it's cute, and they straight away commented on that, and that's something that we really appreciate. Now, we are looking to build an organic community, and we also have some plans in the roadmap that are going to give back to charities, as well as create a bit of a gamified experience for the project. Now, I'm not saying that we're doing some whole metaverse type thing, or we got to get into some big app or some massive game development. That's definitely not it at all, but rather a gamified experience when interacting with the Cuddly Koalas. But I'm going to explain that all in a bit. Let me just show you some more samples of the art before we get into all that. Now, here's an example of one of the one-of-one collaboration pieces that we made, and this one is in collaboration with Nerds and Virgins, and we will be making more collaboration pieces with other projects that couldn't be won in our Discord. So if you want to win this one yourself, jump into our Discord and all the instructions are right there. In just a few days, we have managed to amass close to 400 followers on Twitter and over 400 on Discord. And what's crazy about this is we've done this without running any giveaways, without promoting on any websites. This has just been all natural growth, and what we have found is this has actually created a very strong community, and it's something that we're really passionate about. It's something that we really were hoping to achieve. If you jump into our sneak peeks channel, you can see for yourself we're getting a lot of reactions, and this just shows that even 15 Dirtbird reactions. Okay, so this just shows that we have a real community. These aren't fake followers, we haven't inflated any numbers. It's a community that's actually passionate and excited about the project. We've also done things to get the community involved. So one thing is mental health channel, and this is something where we speak about, and obviously it's a safe space that we're trying to create for anyone going through anything with mental health. We have a physical health channel. We also have memes and art, and people are actually going out of their way to make some good memes for our koalas, not just random memes. You can see waiting to mint a Cuddly Koala. What do you mean I'm not a bear? I have all the qualifications. We got this counting game where people just keep going, just counting in here. We have a dad jokes channel that's had some cracker jokes in here. This was to win one of our one-of-one pieces with Cheeky Aunts. You can see one person managed to win this, and we're going to keep adding channels in here that encourage community involvement. We've done absolutely no shilling. It's all natural growth, like I said, and it's something that I particularly believe will continue to grow. Let me go over our website and tell you why I believe we've made this project special. Aside from the awesome art, which I personally absolutely love, maybe I'm being a bit biased, but if you guys like the art, you can let me know in the comments for yourselves. But we are actually looking to give back. So for part one, and we're planning to release in early December. We haven't picked an exact date yet. We will be announcing that soon, but we are aiming for 10,000 Cuddly Koalas, and what we're going to do is we are going to raise awareness for charity. So our project's goal is to help donate and raise awareness towards a charitable foundation that helps injured and rescued wildlife that are negatively impacted by the harsh Australian climate and conditions such as bushfires. Now, we're not just going to donate this money and put a screenshot up. We are actually going to go and show you guys in a YouTube video where the money's going, how we're helping, so you guys can see that we are making a difference, that we are taking this very seriously, and it's also going to be a great form of not only marketing for the future of the project that's going to be beneficial for current holders, but also for current holders to see that we are really trying to make a difference. The first foundation that we've chosen to support is Taronga Zoo, and we've left all the information, including the website and a video about them, here on our site, so you can do your own research and have a look for yourself that this is a real organization, that they are making a difference, and that the money is going to a good cause. You can also see that here's my face, I'm fully doxed. Here's my friend Adriano. We met at university a few years ago. We've always been into crypto. We've done businesses together in the past, and it just made sense for us to work together on this project. We make a good team, and it is more than a one-man job, so we have worked together to bring this thing to life, and we've had a really fun experience doing so. Now for the gamification that I mentioned, we see in part 2, oh no, some of the cuddly koalas have got themselves into a situation deep down a black opal mine, far out in the outback. They need your help to be rescued and escape with the precious black opals to bring as gifts to the rest of the tribe. Now, I don't want to give too much information about that, but we want to make it a little bit engaging to actually get these black opals. It's not just going to be an airdrop. It's not just going to be a mint. There's actually going to be a bit of a challenge, some steps to get them, and there's going to be a bit of a reward afterwards. Now, I don't want to give too much away and get into it completely, but we can see that in part 3, we have time to use those opals, TBA after the black opal mining event. Now, this has all been planned out. We know exactly what we're doing here, but we just want to leave it a secret and make it a bit of a surprise as we head into that. Now, we are also going to be doing another charity donation and YouTube event in part 2. We haven't actually chosen a charity for that quite yet. What we were hoping to do is leave that open to the community, where we can put in suggestions and pick a charity that's going to support a cause or raise awareness for anything all over the globe, not just Australia. No matter where you are, you can get involved. We are aiming to make this a global community. We're also going to do little things like Easter eggs on our website, online, in our Twitter, in our Discord, where there will be little competitions and little things happening in the background, where if you're lucky enough to find them, you will also be rewarded. We have the Black Opal event, and this is going to be exclusive for Cuddly Koala Club members. So if you want to participate in this event, and it's going to be quite exciting, then you need to have one of these NFTs, and that to me gives benefit to owning one of the Cuddly Koalas. Not only do you get the awesome artwork, not only are we supporting some great foundations and some great causes, but you also get to participate in these exclusive events that we are going to make quite exciting for you guys, and I think the whole community is going to appreciate it. I truly believe in this project for the long term, and yes, I may be a bit biased. Obviously, it's my own project, and I'm going to encourage you to do your own research. Don't just jump in and buy it because it's me. I want you to be critical, because I do hold myself to a high standard, and we are aiming to hold this project to the same high standard. Now, let me explain to you guys, we are aiming to under promise and over deliver. Although we have this brilliant roadmap, brilliant artwork, in my opinion, we're planning to do a lot more behind the scenes that we haven't even announced to you guys yet. And the reason for that is because we want our members, our people who hold these NFTs, to be rewarded rather than over promising them and making them disappointed. You guys will be rewarded. I think we are going to do fantastic in the CNFT space. We've got good fundamentals, we've got a good foundation, we're working towards a brilliant future, and we're trying to grow this really strong community. I truly believe it's something that we're going to be able to achieve, and I think the artwork is awesome. Like, guys, I mean, personally, you may disagree with me, but I think that's really cool. We can see a whole different bunch of variations. There's so many different attributes. I went over all 10,000 images before even announcing this project. I went through every single one to make sure they were all perfect, and I honestly have not found one that I didn't like. Of course, art is subjective and you might disagree with me, but I don't think you're going to find anything that you don't like about these NFTs, in my opinion. They're absolutely collectible, they're extremely cute, and there's a whole bunch of variations. Now, let me tell you some things that we're doing that other projects are not. Now, we are seeing a lot of projects coming out there and giving money to charity and supporting, and I understand and I really appreciate that, but because of this YouTube channel, I believe we have an advantage, and that is going to be these YouTube series, because I've already made a video explaining to you guys a part 1 of a mini series that we're already launching, how we came up with the project, and the goal is to get you guys involved, not only by being holders of the project, but seeing the team behind the scenes, how we made this come to life, the struggles, the good times we went through, and we want to share this as transparent transparent with you guys as we can, so you guys can see the whole process. So no other project I've personally seen is doing this, is showing you how they came up with the idea through this series, getting you guys involved in the pre-launch. Even right now, we haven't even launched yet. You guys can jump in suggestions. You guys can tell us what you'd like to see in the future, some marketing ideas you like to see. We've had people suggest merchandise, and it's something we've taken note of and we can consider in the future. But we want you guys involved throughout the whole project. It's not just my project, it's not just Adriano's project, it's the whole CNFTs community's project. You guys can get involved and help us guide it to where you want to see. We do have a roadmap, we do have a plan, but you guys can help make it better. And this isn't something that I've seen any other project do with this video series, as well as the actual charitable donations. We're not just giving the money, like I said, we're not just writing a check and sending it over. We're going to go on location, show you where the money's going, showing how we're helping and how we're making a difference, which I think is going to build a lot of momentum for this project, as well as be transparent so you guys can see that we're not making this up. We are donating this money, we are raising awareness, and hopefully not only does our money help, but the video helps the foundations as well, because if they get good views, other people might considering donating themselves, and we could make a difference. And I believe that's what we will do with this project. We also reward our members by actually getting involved in the Discord, whether it be by making some jokes or just communicating. We keep track of who's doing well, and we will be rewarding them. For example, in our mental health channel, and this is a bit of exclusive information, something that we haven't even announced yet, but we're working on a very special collaboration right now. And whoever we see in this mental health channel supporting and helping other people, we're going to take note and we're going to reward them with a very special NFT later down the track. And this is encouraging a organic and strong community, and we believe this is the best plan moving forward, and it's something that we will continue to do. So if you want to be involved in the project, if you want to give your suggestions, if you want to hold one of these cute pieces of art, I'd highly recommend you jump into our Discord and get to chatting. And I'm in this Discord all the time, so you will catch me in there and you guys can make your suggestions and we can grow this project together as a team. Another thing that I want to include is, if you do want to jump into the Discord and make suggestions or get involved in these mental health channels particularly, you don't need to be minting one of these koalas. We will support you whether you are or not. We want to make this community really healthy and just an organic community of growth. That's what we're really aiming for. We've got exciting gamification things coming down the track. It's all planned out. We know exactly what we're doing, and I'm super excited for that early December period to come so we can announce this project, we can launch it. These koalas can find their homes in your wallets, and we can make a difference as a team moving forward. Of course, please guys, do your own research. This might be a bit biased. Obviously, it is my project and I'm going to encourage you to do so. And I can't wait to see you in this Discord. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. For more NFT videos, just press here. This is a playlist of NFT videos by me. Also subscribe to my channel. The button's here. It's free to do. So go ahead, do that now. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're still watching, you're an absolute legend. Jump on, click these links, watch these videos. You never know, you might find a big project.